next section is 7 to 12. There are no defences in this section, it's all attacks and counter-attacks. It's quite interesting to look at the kata, the kata and the kumi-jo, and to count how many attacking moves there are, because there's a lot more attacking moves than there are defensive moves. So if you see Aikido is purely defensive and reactive, it sort of maybe suggests it's not that way all the time. Okay, this is how you link from 4 to 7. So I open up, defend. Now rather than striking my jo away, he just does a normal defense. Here, and I step forward again. This is the start position for 7 to 12. So we start from this position, which is 6. So the next move is going to be 7. So I turn, strike, strike again. As I strike forward, he steps, so he's moving a step closer to me. As I look around, he begins to raise. I'm going to wind into 9. Now there's a number of targets you can go for, but we'll talk about that in a bit. You can go for the elbow, the head, or you can go for the ribs. Personal preferences always. Maybe the elbow is probably the most obvious. But I need to be back weighted when I get to the end of this move for speed into 10. So I move here, my right hand curls, so my knuckle is going to be on the top. 9, 10. So I'm aiming to strike into his elbows. In this part I've succeeded, so I now go to the strike for 11. He just lets that drop to the floor. I pull back into 12. 9 to 10 is often a tricky combination, and what tends to happen is when the person gets to 9 here, he's up ready to strike. If you wait for this to come down, you can't even begin to get the strike in. So you can get this sort of crushed move that doesn't really work. If you're working at a long distance, it feels weird and pretty much doesn't matter what you do, I guess. Often number 9 goes backwards. It goes backwards in the kata, and I think it was introduced in going backwards when people were teaching in very large groups for safety. If you're in a smaller group, that's not really an issue. Obviously, you've got to be careful and train sensibly, but making it go backwards, you end up so far away, it doesn't make a lot of sense. Number 10 is a really powerful strike, and you should be able to deliver that quite easily. Do you want to hold you up? So from here, you should be able to, you're back weighted, this just twists into that kind of move. Feet together. See, I don't put much into that. That's pretty, pretty powerful. I like to occasionally hit things. It tests your power, and you you basically got the move right. We should be able to get into any of these moves from posture to posture to posture. Every time you move, you're moving with power and structure. It's kind of the point of the kumi-jo in my view. Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.